See homework exercise 2.5. Exercise 2.5. Second sum. For any two complex numbers, z1 and z2 such that modulus z1 is equal to z2 which is equal to 1 and z1 into z2 which is not equal to minus 1, then show that z1 plus z2 whole divided by 1 plus z1 z2 is a real number. It's nothing but given z1 modulus z1 equal to modulus z2 equal to 1. Okay. Modulus z1 equal to modulus z2 equal to 1 and z1 into z2 which is not equal to minus 1. To prove that z1 plus z2 divided by 1 plus z1 into z2. Now let it z is equal to z1 plus z2 by 1 plus z1 into z2. Okay. Take it a bar. So z bar which is equal to modulus of z1 plus z2 divided by 1 plus z1 z2. Taking a not a modulus, taking a whole bar. So write it separate bar. So z1 plus z2 whole bar divided by 1 plus z1 z2 the whole bar, which is equal to z1 bar plus z2 bar we can write as z1 bar plus z2 bar divided by 1 bar is 1, so plus z1 into z2 the whole bar we can write as z1 bar z2 bar. We know that the value of z1 bar is equal to 1 by z2 bar is equal to 1 by z2. Now substitute 1 by z1 plus 1 by z2 divided by 1 plus 1 by z1 into 1 by z2 which is equal to, take it LCM, z2 plus z1. So z1 plus z2 divided by z1 z2 divided by LCM z1 z2, 1 into z1 z2 plus 1 divided by z1 z2. Now cancel this term, we get z1 plus z2 by 1 plus z1 into z2. Okay, now see the third sum. What is the third sum now? Which one of the points? Which is third sum? Which one of the points? Third sum is which one of the points 10 minus 8i 11 plus 6i is closed to 1 plus I. Which one is closed to 1 plus I? This sum is in the model of example 2.11. The model of 2.11. They find farthest from the origin. Now here closest to which one of the points? 2 points given. To compare the next point only. Example sum compared to origin. Here compared to another point only. Okay. So first find the distance. Take it as z1 equal to 10 minus 8i and z2 equal to 11 plus 6i. And then find it. Modulus z1, modulus z2. Value of modulus z1, modulus z2. And find it, take it to this, modulus z3 also, modulus, here z3 is 1 plus I, z3 is 1 plus I. So find it a modulus for this, some value exists. Compare these 2 points, which one is nearest to this? To find it, these 2 points is which one near to Z3. So just find it a modulus. We got some number. So here which number is nearest to Z3, that only we find. Next, fourth question. If modulus Z is equal to 3, show that 7 less than or equal to modulus Z plus 6 minus 8i, which is less than or equal to 13. Which is less than or equal to 13. This sum is like example 2.13 model. 2.13 model.